And here's another quick tip when it comes to the 360 booth. If you guys want to get started with the 360 booth business, as everybody already knows that's been watching the channel, it is very affordable to get started, especially when you are buying your equipment directly from the manufacturer. That information I've listed in the description box below to save you time from shopping around. I have several suppliers. Reach out to all of my suppliers and see which one is gonna give you the nicest deal. Now check out this video, check out these upcoming tips, because these tips were designed and recorded and posted to help you in your journey. Take care.
All right, so here's a quick tip for you guys. Sometimes it just so happens to be that the location you're gonna be at, it's gonna be slanted. For this example, you guys can see that this is a high and then it starts dipping low into the street there. So when you guys are setting up your 360 booth, make sure that these legs on this end are fastened all the way to the top, and these right here in the front, 1, 2, 3, and 4, are as high as possible to try to counter that slope. This is gonna minimize the arms starting off really slow at a slope, and it's also gonna minimize a good amount of the shakiness. I hope this video helps, guys. Stay tuned in.
Oh, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you feel like this information is something that's gonna make a positive change in your life. Hit the like button, boop. All right, now I'm out. Peace.